What is the area of the above shape? Solution. Let's partition the polygon into common shapes. Next, we first find the unknown side. If this side is 7 cm and here is 5 cm, then 7 minus 5 gives 2 cm. Know that the area of a rectangle equals length times width. Then, area of first rectangle is equal to 7 times 5, which gives 35. Area of second rectangle is equal to 5 times 2, which gives 10. Area of third rectangle is equal to 3 times 2, which gives 6. 35 plus 10 plus 6 equals 51 square centimeters. Which is the area of the irregular polygon? The correct answer is D. Find the area of a circle whose diameter is 28 centimeters. Take pi equals 22 divided by 7. Solution. Know that the area of a circle equals pi r square. And the radius of a circle equals 1/2 of its diameter. Where pi equals 22 divided by 7. And radius is equal to 1/2 times 28. 28 divided by 2 gives 14. Therefore, radius of the circle equals 14. Then, area of the circle equals 22 divided by 7, times 14 times 14. 14 divided by 7 gives 2. 22 times 14 times 2 equals 616 square centimeters. The correct answer is A.